Welcome back, students. We are going to start talking about division today. And I like division. I think I like division the best. I think the word problems for division are fun, and the strategies that we're going to be talking about this week are also a lot of fun to do, a lot of fun to think about. We're going to start off today, though, not with word problems, but just with some very basic division problems and talk about the vocab that go along with them and two good strategies for solving a division problem. Let's start off first with our vocabulary. Just like in a multiplication sentence, we have two factors and a product. In a division sentence, we have a dividend, a number that's being divided up, the divisor, how many pieces we are cutting it into, and a quotient, which is our answer to a division problem. And now there's two main strategies that we can use for this. What's really nice about division is that multiplication and division, just like addition and subtraction, are opposites of one another. So our strategies are really related. They kind of go back and forth and back and forth. And we've done some division already while calling it multiplication, while searching for a multiplication fact in our minds. So the first strategy that we're going to use is a multiples list. We are going to count by our divisor until we either hit 42 or hit a number that's really close to 42 without going over. So we're going to start off with the multiples list. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. All right, nice. So I hit my dividend right on. So this divided up equally. Now I just need to know how many multiples of 6 that I have before I hit 42. Well, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which means that 6 times 7 equals 42, or 42 divided by 6 equals 7. The other strategy we're going to talk about is equal groups. And equal groups looks a little bit different. This strategy might be a little bit slower for you right now with a problem like 42 divided by 6. But later on when we get into bigger numbers, this strategy is going to be awesome, and it's my absolute favorite. So we're going to try it this week, even with the easier fact problems. We're going to take 42 and put it in the center like it's in a plate. And we're going to imagine that we're dividing something up among 6 people. I like to imagine that I'm dividing up Skittles because I really like them. But you can imagine that you're setting something on this plate and dividing up whatever you want. So 42 things, and I'm going to pass them out to 6 different people. And I'm going to think, if I were really sharing 42 Skittles from a plate, and I have 6 people surrounding it, how many am I going to give everybody to start off? Can I give everybody 6? Or, sorry, that's not what I would start off with. I was thinking 6 groups. Can I give everybody 10? Because 10 is a nice, easy number. No, because that'd be 60. That's too much. Can I do half that? Can I give everybody 5? Well, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Yeah, I have enough for that. We can give everybody 5. We'll start off, we'll give everybody 5 and see how much we have left. Right, nice, easy number there. So I passed out 30 of my 42 Skittles. 42 minus 30 is 12. And now you may not have known that 6 times 7 is 42 right off the top of your head, but I really hope that you know that 6 times 2 is 12. So to finish this up, to pass out the last 12 of my Skittles, I could give everybody 2 more. And I can count that as I go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now I've passed out 30 Skittles my first round, plus 12 Skittles my second round, which equals 42. And that's how many I wanted to share. There aren't any left over, so however many Skittles each person got is my answer. 5 plus 2 gets me the same quotient. It gets me 7. Try both of these strategies today as you're working. Again, be really pushing yourself to try to understand this one, because it's going to be really helpful once we get into much, much bigger dividends than 42. I'm going to leave you to it. I have to start studying some spells to magically fill in holes in the road. I've had a lot of complaints from my neighbors. So good luck.